Myself, Bhaskar Reddy from Vanguard Tech Engineer. Our company into manufacturing process chillers since 25 years. We do cater to all plastic processing machinery for mold cooling and different applications. These kind of exhibitions we participate when it happens in Hyderabad. This gives more mileage, a chance for meeting new customer and even old customers also. So nowadays most of the things happen during mail and online. Even a 10-year-old customer we could not see, but during these kind of shows we can see them and meet them, we can interact with them. So during that time, we may get more chances of getting new ideas and new business. And particularly this HIPLEX exhibition, I'm also into organizing committee. Since 1 year, we are working for this exhibition. I have taken care of stall allotment for entire show. We used to go to all exhibitions, happens in Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta. So we bought all these exhibitors to this show. So that's all about us.
I'm Ashok. We at Vanguard manufacture water chillers for process industries, various process industries. We don't just look for a business; we give solution to the industry. We are into into the industry since last 25 years. We get most business through references. If you see our marketing, we are poor in the marketing, but we get 70 to 80% of referral business. That speaks about our efficiency of our equipments and the quality of our service. Our priority is to give the customer a good service, provide with the best quality equipment, the best power saving equipment. And we both ourselves have a support of good service team. Thank you.